Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing lemon chicken, but it's not lemon chicken like you've ever had before. Surprisingly, it's lemon chicken made with Sprite that is going to send it over the top. The best lemon chicken you've ever had, I guarantee it. We're doing it next, so stick around. All right, so we got two boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We're trimming them up, and then we're going to cut them in half. So we have 4 chicken breasts. Now, let's get started. I've got this marinating contraption here. You can put your chicken in there, close the lid, suck the air out, and it'll do in 2 hours what takes overnight. If you don't have one of these, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one on Amazon. They're not very expensive. So if you don't have this device, just use a Ziploc bag and marinate the chicken overnight, or at least 8 hours minimum. This way we're looking at 2 hours. So what we're going to do first is zest 1 lemon over that chicken breast. Then we're going to come back with some fresh ground pepper. And then we're going to come with the star of the show, what makes this so amazingly delicious and tender. 1 20-ounce bottle of Sprite. You can use diet or regular. I don't think it'll make a difference. Then we're going to close the lid. And we're going to get the little device out and suck all the air out. This thing is really handy for marinating fast. And the magic of editing, 2 hours are up. We'll pull it out of the refrigerator. And you can already see how that Sprite is working on the chicken. Okay, let's get our large stainless steel pan out. We've got 1 stick of butter that we cut up. Heat is on medium. I've got some all-purpose flour. I'm just going to flour both sides of the chicken breast, dust off any excess, and we'll slide it right into that melted butter on medium heat. And we're going to cook this chicken about 3 to 4 minutes per side. You don't have to worry about cooking all the way through, because once our sauce is made, we're going to put the chicken back in and finish it that way. So we'll cook one side, and we'll flip it over and go another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. And once that's done, we're going to set it onto a separate plate, and we'll set it aside. I always like to put above me in the microwave where it'll stay warm. All right, now let's get to work on our sauce. We're going to add some white wine just to deglaze. If you don't like wine, you can use chicken stock, but I always like to use the wine. Just seems to add a little flavor. All the alcohol burns off, so it doesn't really matter. So we'll get that pan deglazed, and then we're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. And as soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, we're going to add some chicken broth. Just about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. And we'll give that a good mix. Next, I've got about a half a cup of lemon juice. We'll add that. And again, mix well. Then we're going to add some fresh ground black pepper. And once we have our pepper done, we've got some heavy whipping cream. We're going to slowly add that while continuing to whisk, because we don't want to break the sauce. So it'll be about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, but you got to slowly add it and keep whisking. And while I'm whisking away, if you could please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family all about us. Leave a comment if you can. Hit that bell to stay up to date on all the newest recipes. I appreciate you all very much. So we just about have our sauce put together with the cream. It looks like the color we're looking for. Perfect. Still have the heat on medium. Now we're going to add a couple tablespoons of parsley. And now it's time to start reducing this sauce down. So we'll keep it at a rolling boil. We'll add our chicken back to the sauce. We'll have to flip it a few times while we're reheating that chicken and finishing it off. And you want to get that chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And once we hit that internal temperature with the chicken, it is time to plate, serve, and you are going to enjoy the best lemon chicken I think you've ever had. It really is amazing. So make this. The whole family's going to love it. It's very simple to make. And enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, thank you.